Hey guys, so my dog here. It's actually not my dog. It's my aunt's dog. But it's a very good dog. Aren't you? She's so cute.
He put me in the mind. You know what I thought about the other day?
You can't avoid the camera, Coco. Oh wait, what? Are your parents okay with you being on YouTube? Are your parents okay with you being on YouTube? Okay, so you really can't be on. Okay, okay. You can be on it if you want. Just your face will be on the internet.
The last time I seen Derek was a long time ago.
I don't know what to do.
Here comes somebody else.
They know that.
Oh wait, don't run away.
Don't pull out no
That's
more
it.
toys. Hey.
Coco, look at the
That's
screen,
Sarah.
please.
Sarah, this is Dean.
Oh shoot, she's about to do something. She's about to do. She
Yeah.
ain't gonna do nothing. Gah! She ain't gonna do nothing. Just to tell you, her eyes are really not like that. She just sitting over here. Will you please?
I don't know. I think he's singing. Cam, look at mommy.
This is all I see
Look
right
at
now.
mommy.
Oh, you ready to go? Hi, Liam.
Girl, at 5:30, everybody coat go on. Or actually, 5:27, everybody coat go on. Ronnie, you don't even have your
Ronnie,
coat
put your
on.
coat on.
He gonna need glasses.
He does. No, we went to go.
The school didn't do it.
Check. Yeah, they don't want that second letter home. That's it.
Yeah.
The last one. We went to the eye doctor. They said they didn't want to give it to him yet. But they
Oh, wait,
keep him
what?
down.
Oh,
If
for
you
real?
go to the bathroom on me, I will be so mad at you. That's me and my dog.